Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to open blocked websites without VPN in PC. So let's get started. First of all, what you can do is simply just search for first.com to check down your internet speed. Like as you can see, my internet speed is quite good. So this could be the case like you have quite good internet connection, but the website is not running into your country, or like it has been blocked by your ISP. That rather the case can be. Okay, so if you just want to make it just access the website, what you can do is simply go to the three dots right over here and then settings. Then from here you can simply go with the privacy and security option on the left side, and then scroll it down to the security option, and now again scroll it down until you find the advanced settings. And from the advanced you need to select the use secure DNS. Just toggle it on, and now you need to select the DNS provider to Cloudflare 1.1.1. just select this and you are good to go. So I think this might help you out. Without VPN, this could be another solution for your websites to access. If this doesn't work, you can check out this video coming onto my screen. You can feel free to check it out. If this method doesn't work, please check this video right now. So I hope this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it's work or not, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Have a great day.